Hi folks, welcome to 26th video of this series, that is list compression. Today I am going to create one list, and in that list we are having the numbers only even numbers. I am creating a list like that. So let's go. In first line I assigned L1. What I assigned is inside square bracket because I want answer to be inside the list. That's why I assigned inside square bracket 2 star E for E in range of 1 to 10. So what is what's happening here is 2 star E, that is in E in range of 1 to 10. The elements which are in 1 to 10, those elements, that is 1 2 3 4 up to 10, will multiply with 2 and assigned inside the L1 list. So I'm going to print that L1. Next, in next line here I assigned some random numbers inside a list and assigned to the list variable. Next, for L2 is equal to inside a list E for E in list if E modulo 2 is equal to 0. So if these numbers are divided by 2 completely, then we are going to print this as a output. So already we got the output. We have 78 even number, 56, 34, 12. These are the input, these are the even numbers which are in the list. Then this is the first output, that is up to 1 to 10. It comes under the elements which are under 1 to 10, those will be multiplied by 2, then it is in the answer. So thank you for watching.